In this lecture we continue with the injector pin and also back pin. Back pin, they are to push back plate in right position. And also we forgot one thing, because we forgot to make a Scala. But to make Scala, it's better when you make simulation and make a Scala and continue with the mold. But this time we forgot. We can go like that. We can make Scala now. And for this piece, because we need to know size first to make Scala, and it depends the size you need to make Scala. And we have 400. For 400 it's Scala should be 1.005. Sometimes it work, but sometimes it's not work like that, because if you have some connect with the dimension and it's not good and it change everything. But I want to see if we have some error. No, we don't have a problem. We can continue without problem, because Scala, now we have a Scala. Now we need to create injector pin, but I want to explain for what we use injector pin, because sometimes they don't understand why we use an injector pin, which they are injector pin and which they are for back pin to push plate back. But injector pin, they are to push out the piece when we have it in this area. They push out the piece. But in some pieces, it depends in geometry, you don't need injector pin. But also many times it's hard to understand in which side we need to put injector pin, but it depends the geometry for a piece. But for this project it's easy, because we know, because we need injector pin in this side. And I want to show one thing, but because maybe you understand better. No, in this plan I need. Yeah, I have it like that. Yeah, I want to mark it, and you understand. I always, when you have a core inside, aluminum go in that way, like it hold it core. And also same here, because in this line here, in another mold, same it go when it's go trinkets, it's going this way, metal. And it's important to understand, because if you have a core inside, you need to have it draft as much as you can. But outside, also it depends piece. Also outside, if you have up 3 degrees or more, it's okay. But inside, if you can have it minimum 5, if you can. But you can use it also 3, because we push with the injector pin. Now we can continue to create injector pin, but we can make a sketch in piece, because we can drill in that only from this sketch. We can drill in mold. it's better to have it close the rib because we need more force to push out the piece here. And if we push it, for example, here and not here, when it push, because it's a thin piece and we can bend it. And also we need to have it. We need to have like that, but we can have it only one side and we can mirror. And here we need to know, because it was, I think it was 6 hold, and here we need to have it smaller. We can have it 5, because I don't want to have to mark it when we machine it. We don't have mark it in this here. Also we need and we can have it same equal. Here we go, 14, and we can have it same also. It's a dimension, we need to take it this side, because equal, and have it equal. If we can have it in the middle, we can have like that, and now we can have it now we have it same. But I want to measure from here to here, it's at 20, and when we go in middle we can go 10, and we have a radius. It's only if we go we can go here and move here in point, and we can leave like that. Then same, we can if we want, we can right. I want to find where where we need to have a dimension here. And we can have it from here. Or if we want it better, we can go in and delete this dimension. Why it's not in same? Now it's correct. We go same. Because if we have it too close, and it's not good in to have too close hole, because it can be broken when we cast it. Try it like that, and we can see. Or we can go, I want to delete this. We go normal. I want to measure, but we can leave it here, it's no problem. Fix. And this should be same, equal. $22. Yeah, now we have it, and we can mirror, because we have here, yeah, we can go mirror this, not point but sketch, about this, and we have it. I can have it sketched like that, and I want to show you when we have it this mode, we can hidden, because I have it sketched now, and I can go in that go sketch, and we can go to extrude cut, but we can select body, which body we want to. 1 minute, because I want to see, not this, yeah, this body, because it's a core, yeah, and also I want to have it core. Just now we have it correct. We go extrude, which body we want to through, all, not all, but we select which body we want to open hold or extrude cut, and we go in all both, and we have it.